Hey, can I fly with you into the future? I want to see what will become.
Yes, follow me on a journey to Malta in 2050. Jen White on this. Let's welcome friends. Stay ourselves. Can sun and wind power our days with generations in mind? Define progress. Make 2050 feel like home. For centuries, we shaped stone, built walls, set sails. We were few, yet always reached beyond our shores.